So as part of our series we're doing on WordPress, today we're going to be talking about how to actually get free hosting and domain on WordPress. Now, if you own a big company or you want to build a big company, this is not recommended. But if you just want to test WordPress, if these learn one or two, then you could actually use this for a start. Or you just want to create a minor sales page, you could use this for a start, right? Now there are free hostings that you could use, and this is one of them. It's called Infinity Free, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it to install WordPress and how to go about everything you need to go about it, or little of everything you need to know about it. Now, if you're watching this video, please do well to subscribe, as this will enable the channel grow. Do well to watch the video to the end. There will be something at the end that may really help you. I will try to make the video as short as possible so you can achieve that success you want to. So let's go into it. Now, if you want to get hosting and domain and you have the funds too, I'll always recommend that you go with Hostinger. If you go with Hostinger, we have an affiliate link that you can benefit from at no extra cost to you. You'll get a free domain, and you also get up to 20% off your whatever you're buying, so you could use that. Or if you want to just go with the free, let's get started. So first of all, you need to come to infinityfree.com. I'll put the link in the description, or just type it in, and what you need to do is you're going to click on register. Now you can go through this, or you can just click here and register. Now you're going to find a lot of ad on the platform. This is because they're offering it to you for free, so they need to generate money one way or the other. So we're going to click on sign up with Google, and we're going to go here. I don't know if I've used this account to open Infinity Free before. If I have, I probably would just swap it, but let's just go with it. So just follow the process, and here we go. So it says create your first account now. All right, so what you want to do is, we have actually created our account using Google, right? And this is the first page it brings you to, where you can actually create an account, a web account, and you'll see how everything goes soon. What I'll do is click on create account here. Now you're going to see that they have paid plan, so you could do well if you want to go with it. But if you are going to go with the paid plan, I would prefer you just go with Hostinger or Namecheap or any of the hosting there, all right, or the hosting that works in your country. But we're going to go with the free plan because we're creating free. So click on create now. So I'm going to click on verify. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a name. So I'm going to call our website AcoX, right? Then we'll give it an extension. Now extension is more like a .com, .web.org and the Rex, but because they're offering free, you're just going to pick one from this what they have here. I'm going to click on .sites .je, right? So I'm just going to go with it and click on check for this availability, if it's available to show up here. So we're going to leave this here. This is your account password. You just go put those, right? You always have to change it, so I will just click on create accounts now. I'm going to save my password, so give it some time. All right, so congratulations, your Infinity Free account and hosting has been set up. So there are a few things you probably want to look at, right? But first of all, you're going to find your username here. You're going to find the password, the status, which is active, and some other information you'll find here. Now, Infinity Free is a very good this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on script installer, right? So click on it here. Now this will bring you to this place. You're going to, in here we're going to be installing WordPress. You could do it from here, but just for you to know what to do next time, I'm just going to cancel this, and we're going to click on this icon here with WordPress Manager. You're going to click on install, and here you're going to find that domain you have. Okay, so scroll down, and we're going to use admin as the username, the way we used before. Then I want to use admin as the password as well. So I don't know if they will allow me because this password is poor. So let's click on install. Make sure you're using a very strong password. All right, so now you have two links. One is going to take you to your website proper, and one will take you to the admin. The one that ends with WP_admin. So this is the front end of the site, the same way we have, if you have checked out our video where we talked about how to install WordPress locally. Now, if you don't want to use this, you just want to install it on your WordPress on your laptop, just for it to work on your laptop. You can use it without internet or with internet. Without the internet, if you want something you can use without the internet, you just want to learn, you don't want to keep going online. We have a video showing you how to install WordPress locally on your laptop, right? nobody will be able to access your website. You can run it directly on your system. You don't need any technical skills. A step-by-step process. Check out the video in the description, or find a place to put the video for you to see it. Now, this is your admin part. So let me go back to this side here. Just click on this admin again. All right, so congratulations, this is WordPress. Now you have WordPress directly. You could do a whole lot. Like I said, we have series of videos that you can check out. We have a series of WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description. Just go check them out. Probably find one or two videos that can help you. You can build a school management system, a movie website, you could build a church management system, and a whole lot more. We're going to be adding more and more to this list, so you could just do it to subscribe and keep it flow. Now we are working on creating a series where we're going to show you everything about WordPress, from WordPress installation and all. And now that you're at the end of this video, I'll tell you to subscribe once more, click on the bell icon, and leave a comment on the video you want us to create. We have so much we want to give you, AI automations and a whole lot more that you will find still on our YouTube channel. So do well to watch and encourage us. But just a special one for you. Since you have watched this video to the end, I'm going to give you something very good. I'll be giving you access to our special group for WordPress design as well. We'll be sharing with you tools and everything we have access to. Then we'll also be sharing you'll be the first to get access to most of our videos as they drop. Then we'll also make you a special person where if you request, we can create a video showing how to do that, and you'll be able to achieve that kind of site. So if you are just click on the list, I'm going to be keeping a contact. Just do it to click it, send us your information, and we will reach out to you. All right. So this is few sites you could create: unlimited emails with WordPress, how to create an AI automation system, and a lot. There's so much more. Don't worry. Keep following and keep liking, and we'll get you through. My name is Matthew Brown, and this is Ziflite, and thank you. And we're going to be posting a video showing you everything about WordPress dashboard and how you can walk through it before you see more videos on building WordPress. So this is a nice series that you should follow. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video.